Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your Porkbun domain to GitHub Pages. First, log into your GitHub account. Once you're in, find the project you want to work with on the left panel and click on it. Inside your project dashboard, go to Settings on the upper menu. Then, on the left panel, click on Pages. Here, scroll down until you see the option to connect your site to a custom domain. Now, open a new tab and log into your Porkbun account. On the top right, click on Account, then go to Domain Management. Find the domain you want to use and copy it. Once you have it, go back to GitHub and paste your domain into the custom domain field. Then, click Save. You'll see a message saying that the DNS check is in progress. That's normal. Next, we need to update the DNS records in Porkbun. To do that, go back to your Porkbun dashboard, hover your cursor over your domain, and click on DNS below it. Now, you're in the DNS record management section. Scroll down and you'll see a quick configuration option. Click on GitHub, then hit OK to confirm. A field will appear asking for your GitHub username. To find it, go back to GitHub. Your username is shown at the top left corner of the page. Copy it, then head back to Porkbun and paste it into the answer field. Once done, click Submit, and that's it. Your DNS records are now updated and your Porkbun domain is successfully connected to your GitHub Pages site. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.